Hey, and welcome to Alpha 1. So, today is a Sunday morning. We are going to run Alpha 1 iBot on a small account. We started that account with $100 and we are now very close to $600 with this account. So, if you want to run this iBot also, you can do so. Just use the link you see up there right now, or you can just use the link you find below the video. Also below the video you'll find a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit. So make your first deposit count. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. Also below the video you will find a link to my free Forex Telegram channel. So if you have any interest about that, check it out. But now, this Sunday morning, let's start up Alpha 1 iBot. And there we have it, another beautiful win with Alpha 1 iBot. So you can see now the balance is now past $600, so we are reaching our $1,000 faster than we know. So if you want to run this bot also, link below the video. But with that, have an amazing day.